today, and in the next few nights I think we're going to have some frost, so don't necessarily put those bedding plants in just yet. What's going to happen in the next few days is that we start off with areas of low pressure, one to the north, one to the south. They both gave us some heavy rain and showers today. Those will move away. A little bit of a ridge of high pressure comes in from the west, but don't get too excited. It's getting squeezed out of the way. It's not going to last long, and towards the end of the week and into the weekend, back to square one, low pressure on the doorstep, keeping the weather unsettled and indeed often wet and windy. There is some sunshine to be found down over Spain, but as we move across France into the thicker cloud, and then loads and loads of showers across the British Isles. Well, actually we weren't alone, because look at this over Europe. All these orange zigzags there, they show where there were thunderstorms this afternoon. There was a real crop of them just about across the whole of certainly Central and Western Europe and down into North Africa as well. Our showers got going shortly after sunrise, and we had loads and loads of them. We even had some more general outbreaks of thundery rain in the southeastern corner of the country. We still have a couple of storms rumbling off the Norfolk coast as I speak, but they're all fading, and I think for many parts it is going to end up a fine and dry night. Showers will continue in that northern part of Scotland and running in along and near to those western coasts, but inland a fairly chilly night. Might actually manage a touch of frost even tonight in some of those eastern parts of Scotland. And it should be the eastern and central areas that start off bright tomorrow with the best of the sunshine. In the north and the west, showers right from the word go, and it isn't going to take much, just like this morning, for those showers to get going again, and many of them could well be heavy and indeed thundery, with some hail mixed in for good measure, joining forces to give some longer spells of rain, and all those showers blown on by quite strong west to northwesterly winds. In the latter part of the day, I think the showers will begin to fade from the west and get lighter and more scattered, but temperatures nothing to write home about. Feeling decidedly chilly, I would feel, in that northern part of the country, especially in that strong wind. As for Wednesday, well, still showers in the more eastern areas, I think, the odd heavy one here and there. But as far as the west is concerned, that's probably going to be the best day of the week, staying mostly dry and fairly sunny. And then things shuffle around on Thursday, because it looks as if it's the east turn to get the best of the weather. In the west, there'll be some outbreaks of rain spreading in during the course of the day. The wind will be freshening again.